That's what we got so far.
Tazzo,
Tazzo, whenever.
My good guy, Tazzo.
I done got my rolls up, everybody know us. Boy, you can't look bro us. I can't love a hoe. Mars finna fold up, lucky up and roll.
Tazzo, man. Tazzo.
You need people like me.
Damn, first thing, I got this TV mount. I got this mattress topper. I'm gonna use this motherfucker as a mattress. This bitch ran me like $100. I'm about to cut it. Yeah, we almost done with the van. Right now, I got the windows done. Cut it clean. I got this done. I gotta put this mattress on here. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's straight. We mounted the TV. This on a swivel right here. We put these lights up here. Then we got this phone, this little bed, this bitch soft. Then we gotta get a battery pack and a mini refrigerator. Then we straight. I gotta put this carpet up in here. It's a gray carpet. I'm gonna put that right there.
Get a car in the driveway.
When you get bigger, you can have this car. Alright?
Yeah. Red leaves.
Keep doing it.
Oh, they
Keep
coming
doing
up.
it. It's right there. Do it again.
What it tastes like?
Push it down a little bit. It's gonna spill on you.
Like this, look.
You lost some. I didn't drink all. You did it cleanly. I still got some shit.
Right now it's cold as shit. We just bought an AC.
We gonna get back in the car and then we hot as fuck again.
All type of shit.
They don't got one yet. You gotta wait for it to come out.
You like that? Give me get some. Oh, I can't get in there and get some. Let me try. Let me get some.
Daddy, Mommy, you know 𝗙𝗵𝗵𝗵? You know him? Yeah.
Yours tastes like milk and shit.
I not taste.
Oh, okay. It don't taste like milk.
You know 𝗙𝗵𝗵𝗵?
That's good.
Do you know 𝗙𝗵𝗵𝗵?
I do.